Thanks for joining me today as I change my Power Page from this very drab, basic beginning Microsoft Power Page into the dynamic, beautiful Power Page that I know that it can be. Today, we're going to focus on style and how to bring in a custom style page. So the first step is going to be that when you create your custom CSS file and you put it into Notepad or wherever you're going to save it, when you go to save, you're going to notice that Notepad isn't going to let you save it as a CSS. So what you can do though is just put it in quotes, put .css at the end with, and now you have a CSS file. So then when you come to your Power Pages and you go to Styling and you click your three dots to manage your CSS, you go to Upload. Now you have a CSS file to upload. All right. And now if we go to Edit Code in Visual Code Studio, in the web files is your custom CSS file that you just uploaded.